Hello guys, welcome to Ramta Solutions and welcome to your grade 11 probability. Today on video 3, we're looking at Venn diagrams. And remember, these are Miss Kamala Harris' favorite when it comes to probability. She loves Venn diagrams. Okay, all right. Now, without any waste of time, remember, you learned about this in grade 10. So what we are going to do now is that we are going to give you some more exercises. The information you got in grade 10 is still relevant. Okay. The information you got in grade 10 is still relevant. Nothing is changing. Okay? Nothing is changing. So we are going to give you 2 examples. The first one will be just to draw Venn diagrams, and the second will be from past papers. So, without any waste of time, let's get into it. So, worked examples. So, I'm gonna say these are worked examples. Is this okay? Worked examples. Right. All right. Now, example number 1. I'm going to say 3 friends. It's going to be 3 friends. Okay. 3 friends are playing a game, choose from 20. Are playing a game. This game is called choose from 20. Okay. It's called choose from 20. Okay. So these friends, they are Anati. Anati chooses factors of 20. Tiamo chooses multiples of 5. Tiamo chooses multiples of 5. Okay. Tiamo chooses multiples of 5. And Kensani, I wish say Kensani, and Kensani chooses squares. Chooses squares. Okay. Now draw a Venn diagram. Draw a Venn diagram. Draw a Venn diagram. Right. So let's start now. For our solution, let's start. One Anati, we're gonna call her or him. Let's say it's her. We're gonna call her A. Her events are factors of 20 are 20 can be divided by 1. It can be divided by 2. Cannot be divided by 3. Can be divided by 4. Can be divided by 5. Can be divided by 10. And can also be divided by 20 itself. Now let's go to Tiamo. Tiamo is using factors of 5. They are 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 2 is 10, 5 times 3 is 15, 5 times 4 is 20. Perfect. Now we are going to Kensani. Aye Kensani. Kensani is choosing squares. Kensani is choosing squares. Kensani is choosing squares. 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. 5 square is 25. So we're going to stop it here. Right? We're going to stop it here. Right. Now, the Venn diagram that we are going to draw is this. Because I'm here, let me remind myself. We said Anati was 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. And Austiama, you were Tano lesome sometano masoma mabit. Now, let's draw our Venn diagram now. We're going to draw our Venn diagram. So here is it. Okay, so I do see that. Ugh. Okay. Okay. I must put Tiamo in the center. Tiamo. You have one. Let's say this is okay, I'm gonna try this. Let me try. Should I? No, I should put Anati in the center, and then I'm gonna put Kensani. No, I'm gonna put Tiamo here, and then I'm gonna put Kensani here. So let's begin with Anati. One is one common to any other space or any other set. Yes, it's also it's common rather for both Kensani and Anati. So one, here is it. And then two, is it common for any other? No. Four, is it common? It's common for Kensani. Alright, it's common for Kensani. And then five, it's common for Anati and Tiamo. That's 5. 10 is also common for Anati and Tiamo. 20 is common for Anati and Tiamo once again. And then it seems we are done for Anati. Let's go to Kensani. Kensani, we have 1, 4, okay? So we have 9 and 16. Tiamo, what do we have? We have 5, okay, 10, 15. All right. So this is what we have, right? This is what we have now. But remember, we were choosing from 20. Now, since we were choosing from 20, it doesn't mean that we are done. All right? It doesn't mean that our sample space is done. Let's see. We have 1, 2. We don't have 3. So 3 is not in these events. 4, it's here. 5, it's here. 6, it's not. So 6, 7, oops. 8, nope. 9, yes. 10, yes. 11, nope. 12, nope. 13, nope. 14, nope. 15, here is it. 16, here is it. 17, 18, 19, and 20, here is it. So you see, all of them that are not in these events are outside. Right? Now this is the Venn diagram for this particular problem. Right? For this particular problem. Now let's try example 2. Now we're going to try example 2. Example 2 is from your past paper. Let me edit. Okay, example 2 is from your past paper. All right, example 2 is from your past papers. So I hope you guys are able to read it. All right, perfect. So now let's see. I hope this is visible. So let's see. A survey was done among 80 learners on their favorite sports. Note, I'm going to take this data now. It's important. Sample space, which is number of learners, is 80. So the results are shown below. Those that love rugby are 52. Those that love volleyball are what? They are 42. Those that love chess only are whatever. So what we can do this. I'm going to draw this. And in order for us to really complete this, we will need to do some things. So let's see. I'm going to say we have event 1, event 2, and event 3. So they are, let's say it's a rugby, volleyball, and what else? Rugby, volleyball, and chess. All right, so this is your sample space. So they say those that love chess only are 5. Chess only is 5. Can you see that? Chess only is 5. Now, they say 14 learners like rugby. They love they like rugby and volleyball but not chess. Remember, rugby and volleyball but not chess. What is it? It's 14. Here is it? 14. They love rugby and volleyball but not chess. As you can see, they don't include chess. Cool. 12 learners like rugby and chess but not volleyball. Rugby and chess but not volleyball. So rugby and chess but not volleyball. 15 learners like volleyball and chess but not rugby. So here is it. 15 like rugby, like volleyball and chess but not rugby. X learners like all three sports. Here is it. X like all three sports. And then 3 did not like any sport. Here what A. 3 did not like any sport. Now, you need the Venn diagram here says, it's important. 9.1 said, this is 9.1 guys, okay? This is 9.1. It said you must draw a Venn diagram to represent this information. So let's begin with volleyball. The total of rugby is 52. Now I want you to look at the element of rugby. For now, I want to say to you, this element, I'm gonna call it, for now, I'm using a different color. I'm gonna call it, let me call this one here Y, and let me call this one here Z. Okay, so I'm going to erase them, guys. Even in your exam, you can do this with a pencil so that you can erase them later. So we will say for rugby, what do we have? We have Y plus 14 plus 12 plus X equals, we said 52. Okay, we said 52. Okay, we said 52. So what is this? 52 minus 14 minus 12. What is this? This is 26. So Y equals 26 minus X. Let me go back. Remember, this X is positive. So basically, what I'm saying this. Perhaps let me take it slowly. 52 minus 14 minus 12 minus X. So what is this? This is 26 minus X. Now this part here, we will call it 26. Let me change the color. We will call it, this Y is what? 26 minus X. Now let's go to Z. What does Z represent? It represents volleyball. So we are saying number of those that love volleyball is, what is it? It's 42. It's 42. So what do we say now? We will say this will be Z plus 14, Z plus 14, Z plus 14 plus 15 plus X, or plus X plus 15 is equal to 42. So what is this Z? This Z is 42 minus 14 minus 15 minus X. Let's go. 42 minus 14 minus 15. What is it? It's 13. So this Z is 13 minus X. Okay. It is 13 minus X. So when we fill in this information, this part here will be 13 minus X. Remember, guys, because you will be using a pencil, or you will be using a pencil, you can remove this Y here. Or, like me, you want, because you had done this, you want it to be shown that this is what you were doing. It's okay. Use a pencil here. Of course, you have written all these in pen, right? And then you can write this value on top of the Y. You're good. You were just showing where you got them from. So even if you even if you don't say Y, they will understand, right? And if you don't use Y, you can say R only. Okay, you can say R only. There's nothing wrong with that. You can say R only. Okay, and here you will be saying V only. Remember, for this one in particular, we don't need to do anything. Everything is filled. Okay, perfect. So we have 5 marks already, right? Perfect. Now let's attempt 9.2. So 9.2 says to us, show that the value of X is 8. What you can do, you can take all values that are making up this sample space. Okay, remember, you shouldn't repeat anything. Okay, so what are we going to say? We're going to say we have 26 minus x plus 12 plus x plus 14 plus 12 plus x plus 14 plus what? Plus 13 minus x plus 15 plus 13 minus x plus 15, right? And plus 5, right? Plus 5 and plus this 3 here plus this 3 here is equal to, the total was 80. The total was 80. When you do this, you will be okay. Remember, here I am basically saying the sample space is made up of all these. Remember, what is on the intersection of any 2 or 3 events should only be written once. So hence it was 26 minus x plus 12 plus x, right? Plus 12 plus x plus 14, right? I'm not going to repeat it. I'm not going to repeat it when I get to the part of v. For the part of v, I'm going to add all those that I didn't add here. So which was 13 minus x and 15. Where is it? 13 minus x and 15. Now I'm heading to c. C, it seems I've added all of them except the 5. Then I add the 5. Here is it. And what else do I need in the sample space? This 3. Remember, all these together are to be 80. All right, all these together are to be 80. Now we take our calculators. We say 26 plus 12 plus 14 plus 13 plus 15 plus 5 plus 3. What do we get? We get 88. Okay, we get 88. Now, minus x plus x minus x. Oh, what does it mean? It means we are left with minus x equals 80, all right? Equals 80. Now check this out. This means we have 88 minus 80 equals x. Therefore, what is x? X is 8. Isn't this what we are supposed to prove? Indeed, we're supposed to prove that x is equal to 8, and we were able to get it. Okay, perfect. 9.3, how many learners like rugby only? So, 9.3, R only is, I think it was 26 minus x. So it was 26 minus, let me check. Rugby only is this part here, 26 minus x. What is x? It is 8. So it is 26 minus 8. What is this? It must be 16, right? Is it 16? No, man. It's 18. It's 18. All right, 26 minus 8 is 18. So 18 learners like rugby only. Oh, nice, eh? Now calculate the probability that a learner chosen randomly likes at least 2 sports. So when they say a learner chosen randomly likes at least 2 sports, it means minimum of 2, even 3 is fine. So let's go. It means you're going to say this guy plus this guy plus this guy plus this guy over the sample space. So probability of at least 2 sports, probability of at least 2 sports, is, let's go, it'll be 12 plus x. It was 12 plus 8 plus 14 plus 15 all over sample space. Let me go back to confirm. 12 plus 8 plus 14 plus 15. Yes, 12 plus, this is 8, guys. The 8 is this part here. 12 plus 8 plus 14 plus 15. Right? Over sample space is 80. Okay, remember, likes at least, it means minimum of 2. These ones here, they love 2. These ones here, they love 3. These ones here love 2. These ones here love 2. At least means a minimum of. Okay, perfect. So now what is our probability? Ooh, now I'm saying 18. It's 80. Right, it's 80. 80, 1, 0. I'm an 80. It's 80. All right, so let's see. So this is 12 12 plus 8 plus 14 plus 15 all over 80. What do we get? We get 49 over 80. So this is the probability that a learner chosen at random likes at least 2 sports. Okay, this is the probability that a learner chosen at random likes at least 2 sports. Okay, so this is it, guys. This is your Venn diagrams for grade 11. Right, so with that being said, ours ends here. And remember, if you would like to get in touch with us, visit our website www.ramtasolutions.co.za. At the top on our website, you will see all these icons. If you click on any of them, you will be directed to any of these things. Okay, these 3 is your favorite social media platforms. And of course, you are watching on YouTube. Please like and share. And if you enjoyed this video or it helped you in any way, please subscribe and click that notification bell so that whenever we upload videos, you get notified. Okay, and of course, if you would like a tutor, you can send us a message on WhatsApp or you can email us. Alright, guys. So with that being said, ours ends here and bye-bye.